under there.
You're
You
gonna go under
keep
and go
Chase
down?
company, all right? Chase here. Yeah. All right. This is our first Paw Patrol member that we've gotten to adjust. What do you think? Who are the other ones? Marshall. Yeah, of course. He's the firefighter. You would know him. Rocky. Zuma. Sky. And Rubble. Very good. Who's the boy? Who's the... Ryder. Yeah, we'll get Ryder in here one day too. All right, Chase is ready. Chase is on the case. He's ready.
What do you say?